What's up, YouTube? This is Scratch Your Dream. We are back with another video. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick $25 session. Got these tickets out of a vending machine from the grocery store. So we're going to give a shot on the $10 ticket, 50, 100, or 500. Take first ticket out of the pack. Ticket number 1, guys. We got Super Loteria. Ticket number 11. We got hit, $5 ticket. Ticket number 65. And we had that extreme green, white line theory, ticket number 69. Let's get started with extreme green first. Let's see if we can make the 25 back or hopefully profit on this small session. We need to find the money bag, stack of cash, or the vault. All right, let's find some big wins today. Hopefully we can find the claimer on this small session. All right, let's find some winners. 33, number 6, 15, 39. All right, last number, 21. Nope, no winner on that one, guys. All right, we got hit, 200,000. Ticket number 65, need to find a hit, 2x or 5x. All right, here goes. Let's find some big wins. Number 26. 34. 21. 48. All right, last one. Number 15. Nope, no win. All right, it's okay. Maybe this one is gonna give us a big one. Super Loteria. Ticket number 11. Let's get started. All right, newspaper. The snake. Blue bonnet. We got Roadrunner. Lizard. Cowboy. Pinata. Shoes. Got windmill right here. Lone Star motor pestle. Maracas. All right, spur, cowboy hat, saddle, right, next one. Cover wagon, armadillo, guitar. All right, we need chili pepper. Next one, moonrise, the board. All right, here it goes. Oil rig. All right, did we get the win? Nope, no win today, guys. All right, coming down to the last ticket. This is a hard ticket to win on. You see the odds, 9.43. Let's see if we can find something crazy. First ticket out of the pack. Right here in the bonus, we need to find 2 matching symbols. All right, nothing there. All right, let's get it down here on the playboard. All right, ready to find a win to save the session. 59. 21, 52, 26, 53. All right, last one. Here it goes. 58. Ouch. No win, guys. Well, we played a quick 25. We got the big goose egg today. If you guys like this video, hit that like, share, subscribe button for me. I'll see you guys on the next one.